Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Lena Hansen and today we're going to be focusing on reducing eye puffiness with natural face yoga techniques and Gua Sha techniques, and this is great for reducing tired eyes and puffy eyes. So let's get started. So our under eye area is sensitive to things like fluid retention and lack of sleep, so this can lead to puffiness. And we want to start by applying some face oil or face or eye balm here. I'm using Global Treasures Eye Balm, which is a wonderful nourishing balm that contains green tea and coffee beans, so it helps reduce eye puffiness and calm this beautiful, delicate eye area. So we want to use very light touch when we are applying any face oil or balm to our eyes because it's such a sensitive part of our face. And the Global Treasures Balm you can find in the show notes or at lenahansen.com. So I always love taking a little bit of time to inhale the beautiful aroma and just kind of start the day off in the right way. So we are going to start with some gentle eye tapping. So using your index fingers, lightly circle around the eyes, tapping around the eyes here. This is great for increasing blood circulation and waking up the eye area and relieving any puffiness. So we want to go in one direction here, just on the brow bone and gently underneath the eyes, tapping. Close your eyes. Beautiful. And then we go in the other direction. Just really feel your skin and your eye area just waking up. It has such a really nice feeling to it. Applying a little bit of pressure, but very gentle, light touch. Beautiful. Next, we're going to do an eye massaging. So you want to place your fingers and gently lift the eyebrow bone here a little bit. And then with the other finger, you want to slightly massage it outwards and then take your other hand and slightly lift it upwards. So moving all the way from the inside, moving all the way out to the temples, and then lift with the other hand here. And this is really great for any fluid retention and kind of relieving any tension and calming and soothing this area. And it also gives your eye here a little bit of a lift. So we want to go here for maybe 5 to 6 times and then move on to the other eye. Gently lift the brow bone and then use your other fingers here to move all the way from the inside out to the temple, and then gently move upwards with your other hand. It's a very calming and soothing routine that I love. Beautiful. So next we are going to do shifty eyes. So we relax your shoulders, look straight ahead, relaxed face, and we're going to look upwards for 5 seconds. Look to the right for 5 seconds. Look down 5 seconds. Look to the left. And keep doing this movement. This is really wonderful for boosting circulation around the eyes, strengthening the eye muscles, and retraining our face to use our eyes more here instead of our forehead. And this is also great for reducing any dark circles and eye puffiness. And then go in the other direction, look up, look to the left, look down, look to the right, and look up. Wonderful. Take a nice deep breath And now we're going to go on to our Gua Sha routine here for our under eye. So take your Gua Sha tool, hold your hands on one side, and then gently move the Gua Sha tool at a 15-degree angle here and lightly glide it from the inside corner of the eye towards the temples on here. Very light touch here, light strokes, and just make sure you have enough face oil or balm here so you're not tugging at the skin at all. Wonderful. And then go to the other side. Gently hold your fingers here at the temple and move outwards all the way from the inside corner of the eye, moving outwards towards the temples. Soft, gentle, light strokes. Such a calming routine. It's really relaxing. Beautiful. Now we're going to end with a acupressure point. So use your index fingers here, gently put them in the inside orbit of the eye and hold here for about 20 seconds. So this encourages natural cleaning of the lymphatic cycle to help reduce eye bags and any puffiness. Take a nice deep breath. Beautiful. Close your eyes. Now we're going to gently start using circles in one direction and do this for about 20 seconds. Take another nice deep breath, relax. And then we're going to go in the other direction. Beautiful. And this really helps to reduce any puffiness and also bringing a sense of calm. Beautiful. Now lastly, take a nice deep breath again. And we're going to rub our hands together here and make them a bit warm. And then we're going to take the heels of our palms and gently press them onto our eyes for a few seconds. Take a nice deep breath and let go of any stress and tension you may be holding. Just allow yourself to feel relaxed and rejuvenated. I hope you found this video helpful to depuff your eye area with face yoga and gua sha. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.